Hello, my friend. Today I will talking about wave energy. We're talking about five types of energy. The first one, history of wave and tidal energy. The second one, energy converts. The third one, how generally wave energy works. The fourth one, effects on the environment. The fifth one, wave energy pros and cons. The first one, the history of wave energy. The first known patent to use energy from ocean waves date to 1799 and was filed in Paris by Gerard and his son. There are three fundamental approaches that scientists suppose we will seize the strength of waves. The first one, surface gadgets. The gadgets benefit electricity from the waves, shifting them up and down at the floor of the ocean. The second one, underwater gadgets. The gadgets vary from balloon-kind items connected to the sea ground to lengthy tubes that reach over a protected distance. When he waves propels them to oscillate, the circulate turbine and create electricity. Reservoir. The third one is reservoirs. Those gadgets take gain of the waves, transferring water right into the reservoir at the coastline. As water movement returned out into the sea while pressured down a tube and turns the blades of turbine. Then it converts the strength into electricity. Wave energy converters. The second one, wave energy converters. The wave energy converters can generally be classified into one of six different categories. The first one, point absorbers. The factor absorbers is a sort of wave strength tool that made dulcely over a big quantity of electricity in a fantastically small tool as compared to different technology. Point absorbs are quite small in comparison to wavelength and can be backside and told of floating structure. The second one, attenuator. Attenuators are located parallel to the pressure and rate of wave. They are held in venting via of means of mooring at the seabed. The movement of the tool from the crest and throw of the wave extract pressure on turbine that then feeds strength into the grid. Types of attenuators. The first one, fixed attenuators. The second one, variable attenuators. The third one, a constant wave score converter. The oscillating wave score converter OWSC is a singular coastline or nearshore wave power converter. The OWSC is designed to couple strongly with horizontal practical movement along big platoon of movement of the operating floor at the same time as minimizing power losses and related water particle motions. The fourth one, oscillating water column. The oscillating water column harnesses energy from the oscillation of the seawater inside a chamber or hollow caused by the action of waves. OWCS have shown promises as a renewable energy score with low environmental impact. The fifth one, Overtramping device. The overtramping device capture water as waves break into a strong rivers. The water is then returned to the sea, passing through a conventional low head trapping which generates power. The sixth one, subgrade pressure differential. Subgrade pressure differential devices are typically locked near shore and attached to the seabed. The motion of the waves causes the sea level to rise and fall above the device, inducing a pressure differential in the device. The alternating pressure pumps fluid through a system to generate electricity. How general wave works? Wave power is produced by the by the up and down motion of flowing device placed on the surface of the motion. In other words, wind products waves and then waves products energy. As the waves travel across the ocean, high-tech devices capture the natural movement of ocean current and the flow of swells to generate power. How this wave's energy converts works? This wave energy converts works by using several metal ceiling connected together with large mechanical hangs. As the ocean waves moves, the interlocking ceilings move as well, similar to snake. These hangs are mechanical connected to hydraulic rams that pump high pressure oil through hydraulic motors. The fourth one, environmental effects. The first one, risk of exposure of marine mammals and fish to tidal tropian plates. The second one, effects of electromagnetic fields and field and underwater noise caused by the option of marine power device. The third one, the actual extent of marine energy project and the possibility of change the behavior of marine mammals, fish and marine prides by means of action or avoidance. The fourth one, potent impact on the on near and far marine environment and impacts of a short process such as sediment transport and water quality. Wave energy pros and cons. Pros: green energy. The second one, renewable. Three, large energy bottle, affectant, minimum vessel impact, low impression cost. Says advantages: no pollution spills. Cons: costs, effects on marine life, could affect fishing industry, maintenance, sedimentary flow, few employment, difficult to trace wave energy, loss of funding and research. Some wave energy farms, the biggest farms in the world, Scotch Marine Energy Compression Equipment Power is coming up a new CMP4 wave from model in the high seas of the Lois Coast in the northwestern Scotch province. Once Procter in the wave energy farms in the expected to power nearly 3,100 at the maximum energy consumption of 4 megawatts. Thank you for listening.